Student, today we discuss about linear equation in two variables. This is chapter first, maths paper first for standard 10th. Today we discuss about the points. First point is linear equation in two variables. Second point, method of solving simultaneous equations. First method of elimination. Second method, graphical method. Let us
Standard 10th Maths Part 1. Today we discuss about chapter number first, linear equation in two variables. Example first, x plus 3 is equal to 5. In that example, x is the variable and degree of x is 1. Therefore, this equation is a linear equation in one variable. Example second, x plus y is equal to 7. Here x is the variable and y is the another variable, and degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1. Therefore, this equation is linear equation in two variables. Definition of linear equation in two variables. An equation in two variables with the degree of variables 1 is called a linear equation in two variables. General form of a linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a, b and c are the real numbers, integers. Activity: complete the following table. Here equations are given. First equation is given. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? Yes, because the degree of variable m and variable n is 1. Second example is given. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No, because the degree of variable x is 2. Third equation is given. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? Yes, because the degree of variable x and y is 1. Fourth equation is given. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No, because the degree of variable x and variable y is -1. Next equation is given. Is the equation a linear equation in two variables? No, because the degree of xy term is 2. Simultaneous linear equations. Two linear equations involving two variables taken together form a system of simultaneous linear equations. For example, first number x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 2. Both equations having two variables x and y taken together form a simultaneous linear equation. Another example, in that example, both equations having two variables x and y and taken together is called as simultaneous linear equations. Today we discuss about methods of solving simultaneous equations. Both equations solve and find the value of x and y. First method, the method of elimination by equating the coefficients. Coefficient of x make equal or coefficient of y make equal and solve, find the value of x and y. Next method, the method of elimination by substitution. In first equation, y is equal to 5 minus x, that value of y, substitute in equation second and find the value of xy. Third method, by graphical method, and next method is by Cramer's rule. First method, solving simultaneous equations by the method of elimination. Question: solve the following simultaneous equations. First number example, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, a plus 5b is equal to 22. Solution: 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, equation 1, and a plus 5b is equal to 22, equation 2. In that example, 5b and 5b and signs also similar. For cancelling purpose, here subtraction we do here. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. In subtractions, signs are changes. Plus a becomes minus a, plus becomes minus 5b, and plus 22 becomes minus. Plus 5b minus 5b get cancelled. Coefficient of a is 1. 3a minus 1a twice a is equal to 26 minus 22 is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to 2 multiply, here divide, means 4 upon 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2 2s are 4. Put a is equal to 2 in equation second. Equation second is a plus 5b is equal to 22. Therefore, value of a is 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Therefore, 5b is equal to 22 plus 2 becomes minus 2. Therefore, 5b is equal to 20. Therefore, b is equal to 20 upon 5, 5 multiply, here divide. Therefore, b is equal to 5 4s are 20, b is equal to 4. Therefore, first variable a, second variable b, is equal to, values are, value of A is 2, value of B is 4, is the solution. Second example, x plus 7y is equal to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Solution: x plus 7y is equal to 10, equation first. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7, equation 2. Coefficient of x LCM is 3 and coefficient of y LCM is 14. 3 is smaller, therefore consider x variable. Convert in first equation 1x convert into 3x, therefore multiply by equation 1 3. Multiplying 3 to equation 1, we get 3 into 1x is equal to 3x, 3 into 7y is equal to 21y is equal to 3 into 10 is 30. Equation 3. Equation 2 and 3 we solve here. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Equation third and here equation second we write here 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. In subtraction signs are changes. Plus 3x becomes minus 3x and minus 2y becomes plus, 7 becomes minus. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel. Addition is 21y plus 2y 23y, 30 minus 7 23, y is equal to 23. 23 multiply, here divide. After dividing 23, 1 is 23, we get y is equal to 1. From equation first, x plus 7y is equal to 10. X plus 7 into value of y is 1 is equal to 10. Therefore x plus 7 is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 10 plus 7 becomes minus 7. Therefore x is equal to subtraction 10. Variable first x, second variable is y, is equal to value of x is 3 and value of y is 1, is the solution. Third number example, 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Solution: 15x plus 17y is equal to 21. Equation 1. 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. Equation 2. Here coefficient of x is 15, coefficient of y is 17. Both coefficients are interchanged in equation 2. Therefore, we can use three-step method. First step is add both equations. Second step is subtract both equations, and getting two equations then add. That is third step. Three-step method we can use here. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. In addition, 15x plus 17x, we get 32x plus 32y is equal to 21 plus 11, 32. Dividing each term by 32, 32 cancel, x remaining plus 32 cancel, y remaining, 32 cancel, 1 remaining. Equation here reason is dividing by 32, that is equation number 3. Second step we can use here, that is subtraction. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. First equation, then second equation we write here. In subtraction, sign or minus sign, signs are changes, plus becomes minus, plus 15 becomes minus 11, plus 11 becomes minus 11, 15x minus 17x, we get minus twice x, plus and minus sign indicate subtraction. 17y minus 15y, we get 2y, larger number sign, is equal to 21 minus 11, we get 10. Dividing each term by 2, 2 cancel, minus x remaining, 2 cancel, plus y remaining, is equal to 2 divide to 10, 2 5s are 10. Is equal to 5, that is equation 4. Third step is adding equation 3 and equation 4. Third equation and fourth equation we write here and add them. Plus x minus x cancel, y plus y 2y is equal to 5 plus 1 6. Therefore y is equal to 6. To multiply here divide, therefore y is equal to 2 3s are 6. That value of y we substitute in equation first, second, third or fourth. Third one is simple one. From equation third, x plus y is equal to 1. Therefore x plus value of y is 3 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1 plus 3 becomes minus 3. X is equal to 1 minus 3, subtraction is minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Variable x, y is equal to value of x is minus 2, value of y is 3 is the solution. Second method we discuss here, that is graphical method. Example first, complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation x plus y is equal to 3. In solution, x plus y is equal to 3 and table and some values are given. Find the remaining values and write the answer. Value of x is given, x is equal to 3. Substitute in given equation, x plus y is equal to 3. Therefore value of x is 3 plus y is equal to 3. Therefore y is equal to 3 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Therefore y is equal to subtraction 0. Value of y is 0, but actually value of xy is given. From that value we write also value of y is 0. Value of y is equal to 5 is given. Substitute value in given equation, x plus y is equal to 3. Therefore x plus value of y is 5 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus 5 becomes minus 5. Therefore x is equal to subtraction minus 2. Value of x is minus 2 and xy value minus 2 comma 5. Then value of y is given. Value of y is equal to 3. That value substitute in given equation, x plus y is equal to 3. Therefore x plus value of y is 3 is equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Therefore x is equal to subtraction 0. Value of x is 0 and xy 0 comma 3. Here question is only complete the table. Then example number 2, solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. First equation, x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. In solution, x plus y is equal to 6. Make a table. We want 3 points. Value of x we consider 1 and find the value of y. X is equal to 1. Substitute in that equation. 1 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 plus 1 becomes minus 1. Therefore y is equal to subtraction 5. 5 we write there and point is 1, 5. Another value of x we consider 2. X is equal to 2. That value substitute in given equation. 2 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 plus 2 becomes minus 2. Therefore y is equal to subtraction 4. Substitute in table. Value of y is 4 and point 2, 4. Third value we consider 3. X is equal to 3. We substitute in given equation. 3 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Therefore y is equal to 3. We write 3 and point 3 3. Then second equation, and we find the 3 points. Value of x we consider 1. X is equal to 1. That value substitute in given equation. 1 minus y is equal to 4. Therefore minus y is equal to 4 plus 1 becomes minus 1. Therefore minus y is equal to subtraction 3. Therefore changing sign, minus y becomes plus y, plus 3 becomes minus 3. Minus 3.1 minus 3. Second value we consider 2. X is equal to 2. That value substitute in given equation. 2 minus y is equal to 4. Therefore minus y is equal to 4 plus 2 becomes minus 2. Therefore minus y is equal to subtraction 2. Changing sign, y is equal to plus 2 becomes minus 2. Minus 2 and point 2 minus 2. Third value we consider 3. X is equal to 3. That value substitute in equation. 3 minus y is equal to 4. Therefore minus y is equal to 4 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Therefore minus y is equal to subtraction 1. By changing sign, minus y becomes plus y and plus 1 becomes minus 1. Minus 1 and point 3 minus 1. We can draw here graph paper. In that graph paper, x-axis and y-axis we can draw here, and that points we plot in that graph. First point is 1 5, x coordinate 1 and y coordinate 5. That point we plot there. Horizontal line is x-axis x, and on left side x dash, y and y dash. Right side positive, left side of x-axis negative, upper side of y-axis positive, lower side of y-axis is negative. Scale we write here. On both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Then second point 2 4. Value of x is 2, value of y is 4. That is the point. Third point is 3 3. Value of x is 3, value of coordinate of y is 3. We plot their point and we can draw a straight line. Straight line passing through that 3 points. Draw a straight line. Here we complete a straight line for first equation. X plus y is equal to 6. First equation we draw here straight line. Then second equation we draw another straight line. First point is 1 minus 3. X coordinate is 1 and y coordinate is minus 3. Point there. Second point 2 minus 2. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is minus 2. Plot the point. Third point is 3 minus 1. X coordinate 3, y coordinate -1. We plot the point, then draw a straight line. That straight line passing through 3 points. Then we complete second straight line, and equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Both straight lines intersect one point, and that point is x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 1. Therefore, that is our solution. Two straight lines intersect in point 5, 1. Therefore, the solution is the coordinates of the point of intersection is 5, 1. Therefore, 5, 1 is the solution. Dear student, please solve first test on testmodes.com, second test on Google Form. Please subscribe my channel and please click bell icon. Thank you. Dear student, please solve first test on testmodes.com, second test on Google Form. Please subscribe my channel and please click bell icon. Thank you.